Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to Crafting Cool CapCut Edit. So tap on your project and select some photos that you want to edit, for example, and then you can add the effect. So just click effects, select video effects. So I think you can select the shack to the shack effect just, and for intensity just click check mark, and just for duration, and then you can add the transition. Just click on the transition icon between the clip. So I'm going to select the shack effect, shack transition. Just click apply it to all the clip, click check mark, and you can see for the final result. So you can adjust for the duration of the clip. For 1 second. As you like, as you need it. And you can also add the animation, tags, anything you want. So that's it. Just click export button at the top right corner. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.